Imagine a world where every marketing decision you make is backed by solid, up-to-date data. A world where data extraction and management are as easy as a morning cup of coffee. This isn't just a dream. This is the reality that Blackcoffer brings to the table. Data extraction and management are the lifeblood of the marketing industry. They provide the vital insights that fuel strategic decisions, shape campaigns, and drive business growth. But the process can be complex, time-consuming, and fraught with errors if not handled with the right expertise and tools. Enter Blackcoffer, a global IT consulting firm with a proven track record in data management. Blackcoffer's solution begins with data extraction. Using the LSA API, the system extracts data from the LSA dashboard for the last 24 hours. But it doesn't stop there. The system also ensures that the data collected is only for the companies that are not marked in red in the missed messages notification automation master file sheet. Once the data is extracted, it's cleaned to make it readable and the unnecessary data is disposed of. The result? A pristine set of data that's ready for analysis and use. The next step is the upload. The clean data is uploaded to the BigQuery database. LSA_lead_daily_data every morning at a fixed time. This is done using the BigQuery API and Sheets API. The database is hosted on Heroku, a cloud platform that allows the script to run every day without fail. But what about challenges? There's always the risk of uploading data for the wrong company, but Blackcoffer has this covered. By monitoring daily logs and uploads, they ensure that the data uploaded is always for the right company. So you might be thinking, this sounds great, but what's the catch? There isn't one. Blackcoffer's solution is a working, deployed, automated tool that runs every morning, uploading a report to the database. It's monitored every day, ensuring that your data is always up to date and accurate. So, step into the world where data extraction and management are no longer a chore, but a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. Reach out to Blackcoffer for your data management needs and start making data-driven decisions that propel your business forward. Remember, in the world of marketing, data is king. And with Blackcoffer, you'll always have the crown. Connect with us today and let us show you the power of efficient data management.